guys all the days you're hiking.
I'm Matthew. Be here too for all your hiking days.
And we're just gonna spend a little quick minute going over some safety things so that you guys are ready for the time on the trail. So.
Well, we're at a waterfall today. I had to find out the name of this and then mark it down later on so you can see it. We're kind of on a boardwalk and there's all the rest of our people back there.
Glacier's car.
And she's going to talk and tell us here.
Picks up rocks and then grinds on other rocks. Sorry.
Oops, sorry.
And it creates this this dust as those glaciers carve on each other. So it's called glacial silt or glacial dust. And then at the bottom of the glacier, there's always running water, kind of like a little stream. And as that flows down, it takes that dust into the main waterways. So water that's being fed by a glacier has, when that dust then is it's really close to the glacial source. It'll be like a milky turquoise color. But here we're a bit further away. So.
There's waterfalls down there. We're up here on top of the bridge. Everybody's taking pictures down there in that area. So it's coming down. If we go on the other side, see some big trees got washed down here at a time here. But I don't know if we're going to walk up there or not here. But anyhow. See here, because of all the forest fires in the area, it's a little hard to see the mountains up on the top because they're shrouded in smoke. Although they said today is a fairly clear day compared to other days, but we're not getting good visibility in the park here. And we are in Glacier National Park up in Montana. Today is the 20th of July, 2021. And these are some of our guides here that they're chatting, and the guy in the middle is the guide from Glacier Park, and the two guys on the side are our natural habitat guides. Twilight Zone signpost up ahead. This is Upper McDonald Creek Trail, goes that way, and going to the Sun Road, Johns Lake Loop goes that way, and that's what we were on. And what this is up here, I don't know, but a lot of it roped off. And that's the boardwalk down there of our people here, all of our peeps. And it's just a very short walk from our vans right along the highway here. All right. Here we have the roots of those trees that were uprooted and fell down or washed down here. But look at that, a nice natural bridge there that if you were crazy, you'd walk across, and I bet people have tried, but I wouldn't want to fall in the river there because you could get hurt very easily. And yours truly is not going to try it, that's for sure here. But the roots are kind of neat down there. Look at that. The water flowing here. All right. There's our people on the bridge. They're going to wave to me. No, they're going to wave. Not going to wave. They're not going to wave to me up there, so maybe some of them will. I don't know. They're going to wave. Ah, that's it. There you go. Now they're going to wave there. Okay, that's good. Good. So here's the waterfall down here. I'm down a little closer to the water. As you can see, it's going to come down here and right down here. A little cooler down here by the water too. And you can see it goes right under there. I'm talking loud because the water's making a lot of noise. And there's the bridge right up there. All right.